Hey, welcome back to another video. A common question we get often asked is, if what you're teaching works, can you give me your course for free and then I pay you back out of profits, all right? So this is a very common question. Well, we get it often asked, maybe once a week, twice a week, and I just want to answer that question right now. So it's not really, that's not how it works, all right? Because I've been involved in the import-export industry for over a decade, right? So I'm giving a lot of my intellectual property, I'm organizing it. It took me a year to actually put it into a course, and it's essentially saying, here, have it for free, and then pay me out of profits, right? It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way really in anything. If you go to a real estate agent, right, and say, I want to buy this house, okay, and give me the house for free. I don't want to have a mortgage or anything, just give me the house for free. When it goes up, I'll sell it and I'll give you half, right? Or I'll give you a percentage of profit, right? Or it's like going to maybe a doctor or a dentist and saying, hey, listen, I'm not going to pay you now, but when later on I'll do all the work and give me as much value as possible, and then later on, 2 years or a year from now, I'll pay you back, right? It doesn't work that way, all right? That's not how it works. We do have finance options available. You have to chat to one of the companies that we work with if you're looking into that, but we can't really give our IP away, our intellectual property away, in the hopes that later on you pay us down in your profits, all right? So it doesn't work that way in anything. Another thing also with any education, with any courses out there, not everyone follows through. So life gets in the way, so something might happen. You might have a kid, you might have a family member you need to attend to, you might go maybe overseas or start traveling, so things get in the way. So that's kind of why we don't want to be giving our value away, and me spending time and effort helping you, coaching you, answering questions, looking at your products with you, only to find maybe you don't follow through. So that's another reason it does take time, money and effort on my part to actually train you as well. I've got a team, we've got employees, and I can't pay them in hugs, or I can't pay them out of your future profits. So that's kind of why we don't really offer that at all right? So, and also when you actually pay for a course, and I've done this before, is I've gotten something for free. So I might go and someone will give me a free book, or someone will give me a free course or like that. Sometimes I don't follow through because I haven't really invested into that course, right? I actually don't do any follow-up because I haven't actually had any of my own money invested in that. But if I go to Dymocks bookstore or a bookstore down the road and I buy a book, right, and I bought it, there's actually a very high probability of me reading that book. So hopefully that makes sense. I just wanted to clear that up and just answer that question. Have a great day. And by the way, if you are looking to get something started on Amazon and you're looking for help and you're looking for someone maybe to help you with ideas, someone maybe to help you maybe go through the product ideas together, don't forget to check out one of our live webinars on our website. The website link is below this video. But on top of that, if you're serious about getting something started, give us a call in the office, all right, as well. Numbers on the screen. We are doing a promotion right now. If you are a nurse, paramedic, doctor, police officer, firefighter, right? Doesn't matter what country you're in, you need ID, but we've got a promotion happening just for you, for our first responders. You're on the line, you're doing incredible results in hospitals right now with the whole coronavirus. You fought the fires in February and saved God knows how many houses. So we're doing a bit of a promotion for all first responders. You just need ID, and that's nurses, paramedics, doctors, police officers and fireys, all right? And you just need a bit of an ID, government ID, so that way we can see, and you got a promotion happening your way. But you got to give us a call in the office, or maybe just drop us an email, and then we can sort that out and have a chat with one of our team members, all right? Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. See you later. Bye-bye.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.